we want to introduce to you a revolutionary patent. But before explaining what it is about, I want to show you a few stats. In Italy we have over 420,000 slot machines. And over 50% of minors gamble. In Italy there are over 65,000 cigarette vending machines. A large number of minors smoke, and most of them buy cigarettes through vending machines. The cost of absenteeism in the Italian public administration is over 6 billion euros every year. Part of this cost is due to cheating employees that clock in and out on behalf of absent colleagues. In Italy we have about 72 million credit and debit cards. Just imagine how many cards are cloned every year. What do these numbers have in common? They are all connected to the concept of verification. The verification process operated by a bank machine, on the user who wants to withdraw cash. The checks operated by the machine, that verifies the clocking in and out of employees. The verification of the age of a citizen, who is buying cigarettes, from a vending machine, with an ID card. They are all automated verification processes that, usually, implies the use of a card. The problem is clear. These systems can only verify the validity of the card, but they cannot verify whether the user is the legitimate cardholder. The solution could be simple. We just need to add any biometric data onto the system, that is the user's fingerprint. But this solution is not possible. The European Privacy Commissioners state that it is not legal to capture a citizen's biometric data, and save it on a server. But, what if we saved the biometric data, that is the fingerprint, directly on the card, owned by the citizen? Well, this solution is better, but we are still facing an issue. In order to acquire and read the fingerprint, an external machine has to elaborate the data. The fingerprint leaves the card, in order to be processed by an external system. And again, we hit the same privacy problem. Our system, already patented, solves all of the above problems. We are talking about a completely anonymous and secure card, which contains the owner's fingerprint, and which processes all the procedures for the acquisition and verification of the fingerprint. Even the event of card loss doesn't cause any issue. Only the owner can, through her fingerprint, use that card. The level of security is very high. The biometric data on the card is not accessible, and are only used, internally, by the card itself. It is also impossible to rebuild the fingerprint, starting from the saved data. It is like cracking an egg and make an omelette. And then trying to use the omelette to get the original egg back. There are many commercial applications to this product. From standard access control to smart debit cards that are impossible to clone, through online certified voting systems. All of these while ensuring maximum privacy, anonymity and security to the citizen. The employment impact of our patent depends on the sector of use. If we applied only to those sectors, which already face prohibitions, that is to cigarette dispensers and slot machines, we could easily create 1,000 jobs, mainly for young people. PrivacyCard, 100% security and privacy.